lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul, God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back, I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some?
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Well, it finally happened. There's a fucking American flag in the road. God damn it. Oh shit, that car behind me stopped, picked it up. Okay, good. Alright, so anyways, finally happened. I finally lost the GoPro. It was my Hero4 Silver. Lost it out on the interstate somewhere. I have no idea where. Like a 15-mile ride. I could have lost it anywhere. Really sucks because it's my front wheel camera that gets all the nice shots for the sparks and stuff like that. So now I'm on the hunt for another camera. You know, I really kind of want a Session 5 to replace the Session 4 up here for the cross cam. Alright, okay. But I'll tell you right now, Session 5s are hard to fucking find. See one on Amazon, and it was from like a sketchy seller, so it's like, nah, I'm good. Oh shit, I wanted to turn there. Oh well. Didn't really want to go down this, but fuck it. I'm actually pretty bummed about it. Like, that was my first camera when I first started doing YouTube. Especially since I got something special going on here on the bike right now, and I can't even show it off. Because not only did I lose the camera, I lost the mount with the camera, and it was the only mount I had to mount a camera down there. I don't have another one. This one won't work. So I gotta come up with another camera, another mount, before I can even show off all the good stuff. I'm sure y'all probably guessed by now, at least most of you, what I'm talking about. Again, thanks to Mothman for sending me that piece of equipment out that I needed to make this happen. So don't be surprised if I don't push my T-spring a little bit, because I need to buy another camera. And all my Teespring money, every dollar cent I've ever earned has gone back into my channel. I've never used it for anything else. I say channel, but I mean this bike or camera gear. I mean, I'm not saying like I've made a shit ton of money off of it. I mean, in my 2 years of having a Teespring going, I mean, I've made better than some, nowhere near as most. I mean, I've made a couple $100. It's paid for oil changes, SD card, shit like that. But yeah, I'm pretty fucking bummed about it, man. It sucks. What is this, drive slow day? What the fuck? I bet this 92 ZR1 in front of me, he's probably itching to go too. Racing for titles, I know I got me a new bet. Should have of blah, blah, blah. Sad. Try to come up with some new stuff to improve my channel. Make it a little bit more enjoyable. And now I lost the camera. Something else I wanted to mention. How great is our community? Like the motovlogging community. I mean, motorcycle community in general is pretty damn great. But like the support we all try to give each other on YouTube, on Instagram, shit like that, it's pretty fucking awesome. Yeah, for my dig, I got that vet. I ain't worried about that. He smoked me, but anyways, yeah, the YouTube channel, the community, the motovlogging community, pretty fucking amazing. I was talking to my dad earlier. They spend a lot of time over in Europe, England and France, stuff like that. And you know, he was talking about, he goes, you know, he'd sent me some pictures a while back of bikes and bikers over there, and I don't remember if it was England or France. I was thinking he got some in France, not England. But, and he was mentioning to me that, he goes, you know, it's kind of the same even in the United States. When you see those people, you see United States people, it's just kind of the same people. I got to thinking about it, it's like, you know, friends with a lot of people across the ocean in UK and France, Croatia. That's Red Line Runner because he's a weirdo. This is Go Slow Day, is what this is. Oh, nice. Didn't even try to fucking slow down and not spray me. Awesome, thank you, appreciate it. Cunt. But that got me thinking about it. It's like, man, yeah, you know what? He's kind of right. Like, you see the people that ride the Harleys in different countries, say like two Kiwi riders. The rides they go on, stuff like that, everybody pretty much dresses the same, stuff like that. For, you know, cruisers, Harley, stuff like that. You see the sport bike people wear the same gears as over here. It's pretty cool. Oh, and I did get the chin mount for this helmet. I just haven't put it on yet because I was pretty bummed about the fucking losing that camera, so I really hadn't fucked with my shit. Like, I'm bummed. Like, I'm seriously bummed out. Sucks. I'm trying to make a good video here, and I just keep going back to that fucking camera. I'm bummed, dude. Sucks. Especially now I lost that camera view so you guys can see the awesomeness. But whatever. But yeah, I didn't put that mount on. I should have, so I could check it out, see how it's going to work out. I really hate not being able to look down in my visor, through my visor, and see my camera. God damn these handlebars. And see that my camera's on, see that it's recording, shit like that. Because last week and the week before, I lost a shit ton of footage. I had made a couple videos, and one video I didn't get because of this fucking camera here. Still hate the son bitch. Stabilization is awesome, but I still hate the Hero 7. Because it's like, if you're not paying attention to it, it will fuck you. And that's why I hate having it sit off the side, because I can't see it. Everybody's like, oh, look down here. Well, with this case on, I can't look at a reflection to see if it's actually recording. And actually it really doesn't look like it's recording. I think I'm talking to myself. Anyways, hopefully it is recording. But yeah, thanks everybody for, you know, all the support everybody gives me. Doesn't go unnoticed, it doesn't go unappreciated. YouTube and Instagram. Go over and follow my Instagram if you want to. I'm going to call this one because I'm still bummed out and it's been a fucking week because I'm riding trying to make a video and I can't make it when I want to. That's right. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, if you'd like to. Just don't go off of this fucking video. Go off one of the other ones. And as always, dream about me. I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.